Hi, I'm Nick.
I'm Regan.
I'm Maggie.
I'm Kate.
We're a Cheap family, and today we're traveling to Donner State Park near Tahoe, California. While the Donners were here, the snow level was 22 feet high, to the feet of the statue.
"90 people left Illinois in 1846 with the Donner Party. 42 of them died mostly from starvation and exposure right here in this mountain.
Visit the Immigrant Trail Museum, where you can learn about the Donner Party's tough journey.
And other immigrants travels west.
The museum finishes with the railroads and loggers that opened the West.
Make sure you visit the gift shop, where you can pick up a book about the Donner Party.
Outside the museum, you can walk a short trail and visit the sites of the cabins where the Donner Party was stranded.
Part of the Murphy's cabin.
In order to survive the harsh winter of 1846 to 1847, some of the survivors resorted to cannibalism to avoid starvation.
The members of the Donner Party that died were buried under this cabin the following June. These monuments are dedicated to all the immigrants that risked their lives to move west.
From Donner State Park in California, this is how a Cheap family travels.
Don't take no cutoffs and hurry along as fast as you can.